Yes, he is. He's a keeper. Yes, he is. He's a keeper. Yes, he is. He's a keeper. Yes, he is. I am sold out. I am sold out. I'm glad. You can take away for Jesus. My Hey guys, I thought I was filming some of the message, but I didn't. Guess the camera wasn't on, so I apologize for that. I know a lot of y'all like to hear my pastor, so I'll make sure I do better next time. I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, so I'm getting started with a smoothie. This one has pineapples, it has mango, strawberry, oh, you know what? I'm going to put a few grapes in here. I'm going to take this off, put a few grapes in here. But it has peach yogurt, it has almond milk, and it seems like it has something else. Or is that mango, pineapple, strawberry? Yeah, I'm going to put a few grapes in here, and I'll be back. Oh, and honey, too. I went ahead and added some green grapes and Honeycrisp apples. So I'm out in the far left corner of the yard, you all, and I have finished my trellis. Well, I'm not finished. I still have to put the greenery in, but I constructed this. I used to do those vendors booths like on the weekends and stuff, you all, and I had like hangers for, you know, the ones you use for earrings and jewelry and stuff like that. I just made a DIY trellis because I had this in the garage and knew I wasn't going to be using it again. And thank God my husband did not throw it away, because he usually he'd be trying to get rid of everything we don't use. If we don't use it, ain't used it a couple years, he throws it away. But this is what was left in there, this here. And it's a 3-piece little divider set or whatever. You can hang your jewelry on. But anyway, I put the little fencing that I found you can find it at Dollar Tree if they have any more, or Dollar General. I got these at Dollar General for $2, and I found one at Dollar Tree for $1. So this used to be white, this here, and I spray painted it black, and the fencing was already black. So I just put it on top with some twist ties and put it up there, and it's very sturdy up there. I'm going to put greenery in there, that way I have privacy from neighbors in the back. So we already have a lot of trees right here in the middle of our yard in the back, but this opening was here, and I want some privacy. So this is what I'm going to be putting greenery on. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, get that one. Uh-huh. And so they had people to come over and fix stuff, and he was the one that his mama told. That's right. That's. Can he swim?
Go back. Keep going back. Keep going back right there.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Keep going back.
Uh-huh. You said she would jump in the water? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Uh-huh. It could move out the way. Okay. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh! They got it down. Yeah, got the tree down. Tree number one is one more. No, these are not super huge. They're not old trees, but they ain't, you know, young either. Pay attention. Yes, pressure. Turn around and pay attention.
Whoa! Don't rock!
No. Oh, get back!
That's why you pay attention.
Uh-huh.
That's why you look.
So we got a bird up in the garden bed cover. It got through the netting, so I'm going around and I'm stapling it better so nothing can get up in there. I don't know how it didn't get hurt going up in there. Oh, kind of think it went up under the netting. I just don't see how I did it. I really don't. These birds is eyeing my guard. These birds are eyeing my guard. That's what's going on. Huh?
This one was susceptible to fall down anyway.
Uh-huh.
It was rotten. It was real. See that? That was stuck in the ground. That
Oh.
rotted out.
Yeah. I had to kick up dust again. I knew that was gonna be close to him.
Well, that's why I told
Hey guys, so it is Thursday night and I am cleaning off my produce in the sink. I went to the grocery store today. I guess soon I can start back doing my grocery hauls. But I am cleaning my blackberries and my strawberries, and this is in vinegar and coarse sea salt. So yeah, just cleaning my produce. I have some more to clean. I have, let's see, what do I have? Kale, grapes, apples, let's see, tomatoes, carrots, a few other things. Green bell pepper, because my bell pepper have not grown yet. So yeah, just getting all the produce clean. I just made fresh water, so I'm cleaning out the blueberries. I always clean out the container that they came in most of the time, and I put them right back in there with a piece of paper toweling so that the moisture soaks up into there. And the berries are clean and fresh and dry. Sometimes, depending on what the fruit is, I'll put it in a Ziploc container, like a quart size or a gallon size, and put a paper toweling in there, and that keeps the moisture away. Now for the red grapes. And now I am cleaning off the peppers, carrots, and green onions. Just swishing them around in there real good for a good 20 seconds, and then rinsing them off real good and trying to get them as dry as possible. So I am done. Here are the cherries. They're in a quart-size bag. In a day, probably a day or two, I'll take that paper toweling out of there because it won't be needed. 2 bags of kale. I have red grapes here, Driscoll strawberries here, and they are good. Oh my goodness, they are good. Um, Blackberries. Oh, I love blackberries, and they are juicy and good. Um, these blueberries are good. This is a, let's see, this is bigger than a pint, I think, but anyway, it's 18 ounces. It's a pretty decent sized container. And then these are my green onions. Have all of this cleaned. So I have the avocado, lemon, there's a lime somewhere in there. There it is. Have that cleaned, and the apples are clean. And the bananas just gonna hang out a couple of days anyway to ripen up on their own. They'll lose their contamination if they have anything on them within a couple of days. So. And here are my carrots, tomatoes, green bell peppers, and red peppers. Washed them off, dried them, and they're just going to sit here for a few hours, and then I'm going to get them into the refrigerator. It's Friday evening, and this is what's for dinner. Kind of mixture of everything from the week and leftovers. Macaroni and cheese, rice, meatloaf, green beans, and mixed vegetables with cheese on it. And there's another plate. And I am eating a salad. Hey guys, so we are out here leveling the ground. Because my husband has already been out here because it looks like it's been marked off. I started digging over there the other day. He probably does not want me to be digging. He knows I kind of do stuff without measuring and all that stuff. He likes to do stuff proper, so we're working together on this. So we'll see what happens. Why is the girl up there chasing bunnies? She's just chasing a bunny.
You gotta look cool when you're doing it, Mom. Can't look like you're struggling. Gotta make it look like it's a breeze. Oh yeah, Mom, get into it.
White wine. You see it?
Huh? Thank you.
Ooh.
Albino worm.
Okay, you guys, so I'm at Lowe's getting pea gravel. This is so heavy, I should have came with my husband. So hopefully somebody will be able to help me get it in the trunk. But this is pea gravel, and I'm getting 4. I hope it's enough. This is to help level the ground where the pool is going to sit. And I'm also getting a shepherd's hook. Hey guys, so we're about to install or build, or we're about to do something in the backyard. And Isaiah hurt himself, so I'll tell y'all more about all of that next week. Y'all be blessed. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye.